Hello guys, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Today we have an emergency hairstyle. Me and my husband decided to go on a random date night, and I have been working all day, so there's pain in my hair. But I do want to apologize because the video is slightly out of focus, but I promise you can see everything. I started out by getting the paint out of my hair, parting my hair, and then spraying water on it to make it more flexible. I used a bit of cream with the water to moisturize my hair, and then after that, here I am putting in the Eco Styler gel right at the roots because that's the part I want to slick down. I'm not putting it all over my head because I don't want a super sleek ponytail. I just want it to be sleek at the very top, so I'm not putting this all over, just basically at the roots. And I'm switching between a softer and a harder brush just to make sure I'm not damaging my hair by trying to brush through it knowing it's tangled. Okay, so here I am slicking my hair down to put a ponytail holder on, but I'm putting it at the very tip of my ponytail, and it just helps me control my hair better. And then I put on the actual ponytail. It's as loose or as tight as I want it to be. And putting that on the base really helps you control your hair a lot more. So if your hair is longer, then try to do that, and I'm sure you'll have a lot better luck because the hair can't go all over the place. After I get my ponytail in, I take the ponytail holder off my ends and I put on my scarf. My ponytail was fixed, I used my pick to make sure my hair was big and didn't shrink up too tight. I end up having to do this again once my ponytail was finished and had dried because some of the hair at the ends were wet and it did shrink up a bit. So use your pick to make your puff a bit bigger if you want it to appear larger, but my hair just kept drawing back up, so I didn't have much luck there. I kept my scarf on, I took a shower, I did my makeup, and I don't know how long it was on, for a short while. And these are the results. I was super happy with the turnout because my hair did lay down and my hair is thicker, so I have a hard time with the gels. And this is a turnout. I really hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Again, I apologize for the beginning being out of focus, but I hope you guys can enjoy the rest of the videos that are on the channel. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.